In this video, I will be demonstrating the front post puff stitch. Yarn over, place the hook around the front post of the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop to the height of the working round. Yarn over, around the post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, around the post, yarn over and pull up a loop, and once more yarn over, around the post of the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 8 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. And I'll do that once more. Yarn over, place the hook around the post of the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You've got to do this 4 times. Yarn over, around the post, pull up a loop. Yarn over, around the post, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through all loops except one, yarn over, pull through 2.